Hello, this video provides a quick glimpse of Deal Just Now platform from brand's perspective to digitally connect with their market. There are three parts. One is how does brand configure the system to be ready for market rollout, the market rollout activities that take place in the market, and reward claim processing and being able to track the transactions, etc. For brands to configure the system, we provide a brand portal, which is a dashboard as well as control panel, where they use the functionalities to define various things like points value, customer levels, customer movement logic from gold to silver to gold, platinum, etc. Their location hierarchy, as well as various plans and incentive schemes for retailers. So let me quickly show how easy it is for brands to let's say configure the system. Let's pick up what is relatively more complex area sometimes for brands, which is to manage their location hierarchy and being able to make changes, etc. to it. So in this scenario, let us say I have North zone, various levels defined here, territory, zone, region, etc. I can add any locations under any of the location level, if I were to take, let's say if I want to add pin codes under my last level, which is area as per my definition, Anand Nagar, then I can add let's say the pin codes that that I think fall under this particular area. So I can say 11091. It will select all of them, and if I were to say add, it would go and add these under that particular location. So this provides a link with the real world, the pin code under custom defined hierarchy. Once I have defined and configured the system, then I can go ahead and launch my loyalty plans. And in my loyalty plans, I define things like validity, how the points accumulated, whether it's based on per quantity per unit of product purchase or based on the value of purchase, what are the products that are included, what customer profiles would see this plan, what customers in which area, which pin code will see this plan, and what is the point accumulation logic, and which particular levels of customer would be able to benefit from this. Similarly, I can define retailer incentive schemes, which we call marketing schemes, and here the key difference is that I define milestones, and milestones can be based on either quantity or based on value, or whether it can be single time, that is one-off scheme, or it could be a recurring scheme. In case of recurring scheme, for example, a monthly recurring scheme, the milestones would be reset every month, and thus someone will have to basically someone would be able to claim a monthly incentive based on the activities carried out in the last month. Once the schemes have been launched by the brand, then retailers would be able to see those launch schemes on their SOTA app. As an example, a retailer, whichever brands he deals in, who's launching a scheme, would see multiple brands on the same app. And here, for example, there is an active scheme running, which is a monthly recurring scheme, and he can see what percentage of milestone targets he has achieved based on the scheme, and as well as see the details of the scheme itself. What are the milestones, what are the awards available when a particular milestone is achieved, and so how does retailer move forward his milestones? That he does via ensuring that transaction takes place on the app. For that, he can use record sales manually, where he can select for which brand he is selling some product, how much quantity, and at what price, in case he wants to change the MRP. There in the same screen, he has the possibility of enrolling customers on any loyalty plans that are offered by this particular brand. So for example, here he can see that this customer is already enrolled in 2 loyalty plans that would have qualified for this sale. In case he has a customer who's new, for example, in that case, he would be able to register that customer and then select the plans and enroll him via the single click when he carries out submit order transaction. Retailer can use the app to track any schemes and any rewards, as well as make claim on rewards. For example, he can see in the past schemes whether he has claimed rewards. So in this scenario, what we are seeing on screen is one scheme where he achieved a milestone, as he has already raised a reward for it. I mean, he has already raised a claim for the reward for it, and he can see the status and track basically all the claims he has raised, and thus he can carry on tracking the past milestones as well as current milestones for the transactions he is carrying out. Now we move to the customer perspective, that is a buyer perspective. A buyer could be a referrer or even an end consumer, if at all any loyalty plans have to be tracked by him. So there also there is a possibility for them to see any loyalty plans that are available, launched new by the brand, and here they would be able to see all the brands for which they have got certain loyalty points. So in this scenario, there's only one brand for which customer has some loyalty points. He can see his status with the brand, how many points he needs to achieve to move up a level, by when, and so on. As well as he can see the various details of various loyalty plans, what products it applies for, what is a point accumulation rule, etc., etc. So once some transactions are carried out, he can see how he is getting the points by clicking on transaction history, get a link to the order against which he received the points, as well as use the app to make reward claims. So here, for example, he can click on claim rewards. There he can see what are the rewards he can claim, how many points he has to redeem, and once he makes reward claims, then he can keep track of any particular reward claim submitted by him, the status of those, etc., etc. Now in our system we have provided two kinds of reward types. One is a cash reward type, in which case a cash voucher is issued, which the idea where is that the customer can take that cash voucher, which will be collected under his wallet out here, and he can present and surrender that voucher to a nearby retailer authorized by brand and get cash against it. So that's there is another important aspect to mention that the app is not necessary for for customers to be able to interact with the system. There is SMS based functionality that is enabled, via which customer can make purchases, retailer can register him and make sure that he gets rewards and points, in which case he would be able to get SMS and be able to track any of his enrollment, any points he has received, etc., etc. So this is how the whole end-to-end scenario can be supported for customers, whether they have the app or do not have the app. Thank you.